In this video, we will build AI-powered workflow, transcribe, translate, and generate voice upload to Google Drive using n8n and OpenAI. The final workflow will be as here is old our MP3. After execution, here should be translated audio. Yes, yeah, we got translated audio Bangla. Here we'll create new workflow and rename it as we need. We'll add note manual trigger manually. And add note Google Drive. Google Drive download. Here is our audio file, and we from list source audio file mp3 files and test for run. Download this file. Yes, we file downloaded our workflow and it's playing. Then we will add OpenAI chat model for transcribing this resource audio and run our workflow. At the transcribe translated audio to text converted. Now we'll add new node basic LLM chain. And define as below, and display message as text message, and user text and translate to Bangla. Let's run our. Now we'll add set model OpenAI set model. I will select more set model for this audio to text to audio. Run this workflow. After run, it will be show this output to Bangla. Now we will add OpenAI chat model advanced AI agent open resource audio generate audio will be set our input audio text Bangla and run this. Yes, converted Bangla audio, Bangla language audio. Now we will upload it on our Google Drive. So we add Drive, Google Drive, upload file. File name and location, audio directory, and we can rename this file. Here is the file name on audio name. And run test. Now drive is only running. Now check our drive file. Yes, audio file. Yes, audio file uploaded our drive. Thanks for watching new video every week. Let's build smarter together.